Is your GCash app closing by itself every time you open it? Here's how to fix it. First, restart your phone. A simple reboot can clear out temporary glitches that cause the app to crash. Next, open up your settings. Then tap on Apps. Now find GCash and select that. Here select Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. You can tap on Clear Data as well, but keep in mind you'll need to log in afterwards. Now open up GCash and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not, then the next thing you want to do is open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for GCash. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Updating ensures that you're on the latest bug fix version. Next, you want to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle on airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Finally, if none of these works, you want to uninstall the GCash app. Once you uninstall it, you again want to reinstall it from Play Store. This clears out the corrupted files. As a last step, you can also contact GCash support through their help center if the crashes continue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.